You emptied yourself of everything, tried every distraction, every scroll, every false promise of peace, and when nothing worked, you looked up. You whispered, Ya Rabbur, not for more, but for less. Please, take this emptiness, take this ache that nothing else could fill. In sujood, you didn't pray for escape. You just stayed. Forehead on the ground, not in devotion, but in the weight of feeling, utterly drained. You carried the void like a second skin. Every time you tried to feel, you pulled back. Every moment of silence felt deafening. You thought maybe Allah had moved on, that your emptiness was proof of being forgotten, that devotion meant no cracks, only fullness. But what if the emptiness was never meant to destroy you? What if beneath the void, Allah was whispering, now you can see me. You thought faith meant unshakable fullness, that showing the void meant you were failing Allah. But the pressure to be fulfilled, it distanced you from the one who dwells in the unseen. You apologized for your emptiness, for your silence, for the ache in your chest when you saw others' radiant joy. You thought Allah wanted fullness, not your hollow heart. You hid your void behind verses about gratitude, recited them perfectly, but inside, you felt empty, like a beautiful shell hiding a soul that ached for mercy. They said, just be grateful. But gratitude felt like a lie when your soul was screaming for feeling. You felt guilty for being empty when you were supposed to be healed. You stopped making dua for fullness, not because you forgot Allah, but because you felt too empty to ask for something you thought you didn't deserve. You believed your void disqualified you from rahmah, that maybe you were too hollow for even the most merciful to fill. Allah says, and we will surely remove whatever is in your breasts of distress, and we will return your families to you, if you are Muslims. Al-Aqaf 46:17. Your emptiness is not permanent. It is being shaped. Your void is not a sign of forgotten faith. It is a sign that your heart still longs for its Creator's mercy. Even in emptiness, you turn to Him. That turning is pure. Tadabbur is not about finding instant fullness. It's about letting the Qur'an find the parts of you that ache for guidance. Let it whisper that your void is part of Aman. The Prophet said, the strong person is not the one who overcomes others in wrestling. Rather, the strong person is the one who controls himself when angry. Your strength is not in fullness, it's in returning, again and again, to the unseen light. You don't need to fill your void first. Come as you are, empty, tired, confused. The door of Rahmah opens not just to the full, but to the one who still seeks in the hollow. Your heart's emptiness is not a flaw. It is a vessel for the nur that only Allah provides. Let yourself be seen. Let yourself be filled. Let yourself be loved in the void. You don't have to be full to be loved by Allah. He knows your journey. He knows your emptiness. And He still calls you by name. Filling doesn't mean the void disappears. It means you no longer carry it alone. It means you can whisper, Ya Rabb, and know He is already there, in the hollow with you. Your sujood is not empty. Your silence is not void. Every moment you turned to Him, even in fragments, was a thread weaving you closer to His rahmah. You are not too hollow. You are not too far. You are exactly where His mercy was meant to find you. And that mercy starts with breath. Let go of the need to be full. Let go of the fear of being seen as empty. Just breathe. Just be. Just trust that you are worthy of the love that was always meant for you. This is not the end of your story. This is the moment you stop striving for fullness. This is the moment you remember, healing isn't betrayal, it's worship. If you're ready to accept yourself and begin the journey with guidance rooted in the Qur'an and Sunnah, we've prepared something gentle for you. Find it in the description when your heart says it's time.